In the shadow of the Cold War, 8 strange roars shook the decks of Soviet aircraft carriers. The Yakovlev Yak-38, unlike anything the West had ever seen, rose vertically into the air, defying gravity and expectations. Designed to rival the British Harrier, the Yak-38 wasn't just a fighter, it was a symbol. A VTOL beast launched from the compact decks of Kiev-class carriers. A bold Soviet experiment in vertical takeoff warfare. Twin downward-facing nozzles igniting. Stabilizing thrusters flaring. In seconds, the Yak-38 lifts into the air. No runway needed. But was it powerful or just political? Theater. While the West perfected the Harriers to agility, the Yak-38 struggled with weight, heat, and range. Still, it flew. Still, it landed. And above all, it represented a dream of vertical dominance. Pilots described it as unpredictable, raw, and demanding, landing vertically on a moving carrier. Deck? That was a Cold War ballet. Few dared to dance. The Yak-38 may not have been perfect, but it was real. It flew, it fought, and it left a smoky trail across the Iron Curtain sky, a forgotten rival to the Harrier, but unforgettable in the eyes of history. Want more Cold War jet legends like this? Subscribe to Supersonic News, where the sky isn't the limit, it's the battleground.